Hello everyone, this is Vibi. So I'm back with you people with a video right now. So let's start. So among this pandemic time, so everyone of us getting positive for the virus. So we have been falling ill for the virus. So things to do in this pandemic time to deal with the coronavirus and the measures to follow at home for straight 17 days. So it's been 14 days for quarantine, but it's been prolonged to 17 days nowadays in our state, particularly Telangana. So, partial lockdown has been laid down, and this is my first video after lockdown, so that you people can stay at home and watch my video on how to take basic measures to prevent or to treat corona. So, before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales. I will be providing every information you want so that you can comment down in the comment section about what particular topic you want me to make the video on. So let's get the first and the foremost thing is hygiene. So sanitize your home, including every room, with 1% sodium hypochlorite. You can opt to clean it twice or twice a day. So if you have been tested positive for corona, so the first and foremost thing you should do is sanitize your home, including every room and every corner, with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Currently the sodium hypochlorite is the only best choice for disinfectant, used as a disinfectant to clean the home. So you can opt it to clean it twice or thrice a day. So it's completely depends upon you whether to clean it twice a day or thrice a day. So coming back to another next slide. So sanitize every corner in your home. Next, avoid cross infection. So if you've been tested to positive to coronavirus, so it would be best if you are isolated to one particular room in your home and wear a mask even if you are in your own house or own room, because you are the source of infection and you should not spread that infection to other people in your house. So wearing a mask even if you are present in your own isolated room is always a better option, so that you can keep yourself isolated within one room with the wearing a mask, and you can prevent your loved ones can't get infected with you. So wear a mask and prevent cross infection. It is good for you and good for your family members too. So next, diet. Opt for protein-rich diet that aids in faster healing and health. Chicken, eggs, nuts and pulses will always help with the diet. So never go for a soft diet after you have been tested to positive to corona, because greater the risky disease, greater the amount of food and greater the quality of food you have to consume. So it would be better if you always take a protein rich food, which is always rich in protein and helps to build your body very strong and makes you healthier. So include protein in your food like milk, chicken, all pulses, legumes, eggs and nuts, which will give you a sufficient amount of protein that requires for your daily requirement. So next, medical supplements. So after you test positive for corona, you'll be given some prescribed medicine by your physician or doctor. So take medicine regularly according to your physician's advice and never skip your medicines, as it may turn fatal overnight. Medicine is one of the best method to curb the disease or the fever or the flu. So never neglect your medicines, as it is one of the part that help you in healing yourself. So don't miss out your drugs. Wear a mask and regularly take your medicines on time. So generally these are the recommended drugs currently by the physicians to their patients. Vitamin C, that is a kind of any brand, whether it might be Lim C or anything, take once a day. Vitamin D once a week, and multivitamin supplements once a day, preferably in the afternoon, and tap paracetamol, it's for fever, and a cough syrup if you have been affected with the cough, whether it may be dry or the cold, dry or the wet productive cough. Take cough syrup and a cold tablet for your cold if you have been affected with the cold. So whatever the medicine may be, take the drugs according to your physician's advice. Next, additional things that can help in dealing with this corona affected cases is steam inhalation thrice a day. Trust me, this is one of the best methods you can do. Try at home. Even if the people who are not affected with corona are having a higher risk of getting this COVID-19, can go for this steam inhalation as a preventative measure. It is not only a treatment therapy, it can also act as a preventative measure too. So patients who have been affected with the corona can take it thrice a day. So relax your nasal airways by steaming yourself. So it soothes your nasal passages and gives you relief for a few hours. So make it a habit every day so that you can go according to the flow, like taking or eating thrice a day, also steaming every thrice a day. So deep breathing exercise and meditation if you have normal breathing pattern. So COVID-19 affected patients are showing some mild to severe symptoms. So mild cases are those having just flu and body pains and fever, but their breathing pattern is completely normal and they have oxygen saturation more than 95. So these are considered to be mild symptoms, and these patients can try deep breathing exercises and meditation. So these are easy to carry out in your own room. You just require small area to start your meditation. So meditate every time, and yoga, relax your body. This might increase your lung capacity for sure, so that your lungs accommodate more oxygen. Next, if you are COVID positive and your breathing pattern is heavy and you are getting your oxygen saturation is below 94, so it is considered to be moderate to severe. So depending upon your oxygen saturation, the doctor compulsory will recommend you to undergo or to follow spirometry. So you can buy a spirometer in your medical shops available. So, and it is spirometry can be done in many ways. So I am telling you one of the ways. You should put that mouthpiece into your mouth, and you should inspire 20 times and expire 20 times within that mouthpiece itself. So these three balls will raise up according to your lung capacity or according to the amount of air you blow into that mouthpiece. So this is recommended only for the people who is having lesser oxygen saturation levels, or whose breathing pattern is not normal or abnormal. So this is done only under physician's advice or physician's suggestion only. So this is not recommended for everyone. And next, prevention is always better than cure. So try to protect yourselves from the virus before it gets into your home. So don't behave negligent. Always keep your loved ones safe. So stay home, stay safe. Before leaving off, subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales. Thank you.